The dyno that we're gonna do, I am very scared to do. I don't know why us car people, we get bored of doing things, or bored of certain things so quickly. It almost seems like a staple that I open this door and start the vlog. I've been meaning to take off the rack again because I got bored of it again, so I wanted to take it off, and because, you know, aerodynamics, and, you know, I don't want anything holding me back from winning the Mexico races. Before we get into anything, I just want to take off the rack, so let me take care of that real quick. Alright, so now that I took the darn rack off, I wanted to talk to you a little bit because I have to move up some plants. Now, last night, my buddy was going through some stuff, so I was being the good guy and, you know, obviously taking him out and doing some stuff and, you know, getting his mind off all that negativity because the world is full of negativity and we want some positivity in our lives because positivity moves us forward. So, with that being said, guys, yeah, so we went out to a car meet last night, had some drinks, whatever, chilled. But obviously with car meets in Mexico comes highway pulls, and you know, lined up with a Chevy Cobalt that obviously had some work done. But you know, I think I was gonna do pretty good, and then at the top of third just kind of slipped out, and well, the clutch slipped out, and it was no good. So I'm not happy about that, and I need to somehow move up this clutch thing. So we need to get to 1,000 subscribers as fast as we can, guys, so that way we can put up a clutch. I don't know if I'll be installing it myself. Not that I can't do it, but there's just some things that you just want done quickly, and there's a shop that's not going to cost me a lot, and they'll do it in about 3 hours, and I'll drive back. It's actually the same shop that installed JR14's clutch, so I'm probably gonna go with them as well. And yeah, but we need to get to 10,000 subscribers first before we can do any of that. So right now I'm just talking out of my behind because yeah, that's not happening. Nothing. It's a bad pull on 4th gear. I think the move is definitely going to be the BFI Stage 3 clutch. Yeah, we're going to go with that. I know I've heard a lot of things about like clutch chatter and all that stuff, but I definitely want something that's going to be fully integrated. I was debating on whether or not I should do like just a dual mass setup so it runs with the stock flywheel, but if you're going to go clutch, then you might as well just do a full clutch kit and get the lightweight flywheel so that way you can rev up a little bit faster. So yeah, so that's probably what we're gonna do. I'm sorry if this video is a little bit short, guys. I just wanted to give you an update of you know, where the clutch situation stands right now. The dyno that we're gonna do, I am very scared to do. Yeah, and I don't know exactly if that's my lack of knowledge on the subject, because I mean, if I'm slipping at the top of 3rd on a highway pull, excuse me, then what stops it from slipping on a dyno and then just wasting 75 bucks. So for those of you guys who are more experienced with like dyno tuning and just dyno runs and things like that, what do you think about running the GTI with the somewhat slipping clutch issue? Well, not somewhat, but slipping clutch issue right now, because I'm a little scared. I think my car's just going to blow up on the dyno, and I definitely don't want that. I need it to last as long as it takes for me to get to not only 1,000 subscribers, but also get to the darn mechanic shop. So now this dyno is going to sort of steer me in the direction that I want to go. What do I mean by that? I mean, if the dyno numbers aren't the way that I think they are, or I hope they are, then chances are we might go bigger. And I'm not telling you exactly what that means just yet, but just know that it will be after the clutch is installed. Let's just say we might go a different direction with the tune of the car. That's all I've got for you guys. But thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much for the continued support on the channel here. And make sure you smash that like button down below for some more content. The GTI is now stripped. We're back to being bald. no roof racks. It actually looks really good because of the completed Maxton splitters up front and in the rear. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.